Hey guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. This will be the next part of unit number 4 tutorial videos. I also have a very special announcement, so please do watch till the end. So the link of the tutorial is in the description down below. Feel free to download the tutorial using the link in the description. This tutorial covers the secondary group part of unit number 4 and few other small topics of that unit. And the announcement will be I thought of creating a WhatsApp group to make the sharing of the tutorials, questions and announcements easy. So you can join the group by using the link in the description. And I also hope to start a class to teach genetics, which is pretty tough to most of the students studying biology. So in order to keep in touch, please do join the WhatsApp group so we can get to know each other better. And that would be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.